Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and I've got a question for you if you're a new engineer. Are you the type of engineer who's been let down by others? Are you the type of person who's been disappointed, people not helping you, you're not getting the training what you want? Are you the type of person who feel like giving up? If you are, you've come to the right place because we can help you. When you watch this video on the training what I do and the skills what I can give you, you'll be hopefully motivated. So watch further, look and listen to what I say, and hopefully I will help you on your journey. And on this short video, we're going to be looking at the Fiamma Elektra BPL. On this video, we're going to be looking at how to check the heating elements to make sure that they're working and to make sure that they're healthy and they've got the right resistance reading. So we've got these 5 components here, they're called triads, and what we're going to do a resistance reading using these components, and I'm going to show what the values are so you know for future, so when you do your testing you can match against our readings to make sure that they're the correct reading. So to do the test, what you do, this wire here, if you trace it down, or if you look into this like sheathing here, this is all going down to the heating element, which is on the main heat exchanger. So we're going to start from the top one here, pull that off like this. We put our multimeter into one of these like that, and then we're also going to connect the other end into the neutral here, and then that will give us a resistance value. So you can see one end is on the neutral, the other end is on this end, on the end of the lead, and this is our resistance value. So that's what you're supposed to be getting for your resistance reading, and that's correct. So you use that as your benchmark. So we're now looking at the second one down. We've got one end on the neutral like that, the other end on the end of that lead, and this is your reading for the second one down. So make a note of that. And then we'll look at the third one. Same process again on the neutral, on that lead there, and this is your reading for the third one. For the fourth one, we're doing the same process, but we're going to get a different reading now. This is a lot higher, and the reason this is because we're looking at the hot water element, which is here. That's going to be heating the tank up, the unvented cylinder up there. So the reading is higher, so you record that for the fourth one down. And the final one, same thing again, connected here, and this is your final reading for the fifth one, and that's it. So to make a note of all them values, that's what you're supposed to be getting to make sure that the heating elements are nice and healthy. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Now if you're the type of person, like I said before, then we can help you. All you need to do is click on the link below, go through to masterclassengineer.co.uk, and I guarantee we will find the solution for you.